Hello guys, welcome back. Extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error access is denied on Zarchiver app. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here you scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management, and from here you search for this Zarchiver app. Tap on this, and from here you tap on permission. You make sure that allow storage permission. Tap on storage and tap on allow and tap on again allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache and clear data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on force stop, tap on again force stop, and after that go back and tap on Play Store. From here tap on Zarchiver app, tap on this. From here you make sure that update new version, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.